Why a younger soul enters your life when your heart is ready to heal. Sometimes, the people who transform our lives are not the ones who have lived the longest. They are the ones who carry a lighter spirit, a fearless heart, and a way of seeing the world that quietly awakens something inside us. A younger soul is not simply someone younger in age. It is someone whose emotional energy feels fresh, hopeful, and deeply authentic. They approach love without years of emotional armor, without endless calculations, and without the habit of hiding every feeling. Psychology suggests that people often encounter someone like this during periods of emotional transition. After disappointment, loneliness, or years of carrying invisible burdens, the mind begins searching for experiences that challenge old emotional patterns. A younger soul naturally becomes that catalyst. Their presence doesn't erase your past. Instead, it changes how you carry it. You may notice that conversations become easier. You laugh more without forcing it. The future doesn't seem as intimidating. Even silence feels peaceful rather than uncomfortable. This happens because human emotions are remarkably contagious. Researchers have found that optimism, curiosity, and emotional openness spread between people just as stress and anxiety do. Spending time with someone who genuinely believes in tomorrow slowly teaches your nervous system that tomorrow might actually be safe. That is the hidden gift of a younger soul. They remind you of the version of yourself that existed before fear became your constant companion. Many people assume that relationships are built only on shared experiences. But psychology tells us something different. Growth often happens when two people bring opposite emotional strengths into one connection. One person offers wisdom earned through struggle. The other offers hope untouched by cynicism. Together, they create balance. This is why these relationships often feel unexpected. The younger soul asks questions that no one else asks. They notice the small details others ignore. They encourage dreams you had quietly abandoned years ago, not because they know all the answers, but because they haven't yet learned to believe that certain dreams are impossible, and that belief becomes contagious. Gradually, you stop viewing life through the lens of everything that went wrong. You begin noticing possibilities again. You become more patient with yourself. You forgive mistakes more easily. You start believing that happiness doesn't always require perfection. Of course, these connections are not effortless. The older heart may hesitate. It may worry about being misunderstood. It may wonder whether the difference in emotional maturity or life experience will eventually create distance. Meanwhile, the younger soul may struggle to understand the invisible weight you've carried for years. But real emotional bonds are rarely built on similarity alone. They grow through mutual curiosity. Each person becomes a teacher. One teaches resilience. The other teaches wonder. One explains how to survive storms. The other reminds you why the sunshine is still worth waiting for. Perhaps the deepest reason a younger soul enters your life is this. Healing cannot happen if we only revisit familiar emotional patterns. The human brain changes when it experiences something emotionally different. Every new memory has the power to weaken the grip of painful old ones. Every moment of genuine connection quietly rewrites the story you tell yourself about love, trust, and belonging. That is why this relationship can feel strangely transformative. Not because the younger soul is meant to rescue you. No healthy relationship is about rescue. Instead, they become a mirror reflecting the parts of yourself that never truly disappeared. Your kindness, your curiosity, your courage, and your ability to love without constantly expecting loss. Slowly, the walls you've built begin to soften. You stop protecting yourself from every possibility. You allow vulnerability to exist alongside wisdom. And that combination is incredibly powerful. The most meaningful relationships are rarely the ones that simply make life easier. They are the ones that make you see yourself differently. A younger soul doesn't arrive to replace your past. They arrive to remind you that your future doesn't have to resemble it. Sometimes love is not sent to complete you. Sometimes it is sent to awaken the parts of you that have been quietly asleep for far too long. And perhaps that is the real reason a younger soul was chosen to love you so deeply. Not because they were younger, but because their heart still carried enough light to help you find your own again. Every great life begins with a powerful mind. Learn the psychology of success. Subscribe to Psychology Mindset.